Facial brushes are a great way to get skin super clean, but many use bristle heads, which can be a hassle, and aren't always the best choice for your skin. Nion Beauty's vibrating brushes are made from antibacterial silicone that's gentle on skin and never has to be replaced. The brushes gently cleanse your face and body without using abrasive friction to clean, and they don't hold on to bacteria like traditional bristles can. The silicone is imbued with tourmaline, which releases negative ions that can naturally boost circulation and counteract toxins. All Nion Beauty's brushes have a 45-degree sloping design that glides smoothly over skin. It's a less abrasive way to clean. And you can opt for one with an anti-aging surface, too, to experience a skin-lifting, pulsating massage. These brushes are all cordless and beautifully made. They feel good in your hand and against your skin.